Hi, thanks for joining me on this how-to video. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Trusted Dispatch to get an instant shipping quote. So we've already gone to trusteddispatch.com. We're going to click Get Your Instant Shipping Quote. That's going to take us to our quoting screen. Okay, once we're here, it will want a pickup location. So if you don't have the exact address, just put in the nearest town like I've done here. I'm going to use Grand Prairie as our example. The drop-off location, I want to use Tabor. So again, we just type in the town and then the system will populate the rest. You just pick the correct one. Now if you notice the crosshairs in the centre of the screen here, I'm just going to zoom out. This piece of equipment, let's say it's in a remote part of town, so it's actually outside of town. And I'm going to pick one of these farms here perhaps. I'm just going to put the cursor there. It changes the address. It also, if you wanted to, you can use current location. Really useful button. Just at a click of a button it will put your current location in, and that's really useful if you're at a remote auction site, for example, where your pickup or your drop off might be. If we're happy, we just go down to the next button on the bottom right and click that. That's going to take us to our weight and dimensions screen. Now we spent quite a bit of time developing a Spec Search Tool. There's over 100,000 pieces of equipment in this, and that just makes life a little easier. If you don't necessarily have to hand the weight and dimensions but you want to get that quote instantly, we can just put in the model or make here or an item description and the system will pre-populate it. You can put in manually your weight and dimensions if you wish as well. So in this example I'm going to ship a combine, 9860 John Deere, and we'll see that it's pre-populated here. I'm just going to click that. It puts the information into the screen. I'm happy with everything. If I notice that this machine has a longer or a wider header, I can change the information here as well if I want. But I'm happy, so I've checked that. I'm just going to click the next button on the bottom right, and we have an instant quote. So your savings there. It's always in Canadian dollars plus your tax. Just double check your size, weight and distance, and if you have made a mistake or if you're not too sure on something, just press back and make any changes. But here we have an instant quote. It takes really no time at all. We've made it as easy as possible, and if you want to join me for the next video, I'll show you how to publish this quote to our database of professional heavy haul drivers.